Today we're taking a look at the 6,000-pound electric brake drop trailer axle with a 6,000-pound loaded capacity. These axles come with a bolt pattern of 6 on 5.5. They have a tube diameter of 3 inches and a brake size of 12 by 2 inches and a drop spindle that measures 4 inches. When ordering one of our trailer axles, you will need to know the hub face and spring center measurement. If you have any questions on how to measure this, you can always find it on the How To tab on any of our axle listings. The common sizes of the 6,000-pound electric brake drop axle that we keep in stock are 7358, 8570, 8974, and 9580. Your 6,000-pound TK electric brake drop axle will come fully assembled, reducing installment time. If you need replacement parts, you can find a full list of the internal components in the product description of the axle on our website. These axles come underslung, allowing for a lower ride height unless the customer requests otherwise. These axles come with an easy-to-lube design with a removable rubber plug on the hubcap that gives easy access to greasables or fittings, meaning you can grease your axle without removing the whole hub. The internal wiring system ensures a seamless design, and it helps to protect the brake wires from wear and tear, and it also has a powder-coated finish to ensure longevity. If you have any questions or need any help, give us a call and one of our trailer parts experts would be more than happy to help.